it's Advit Ram, and today we are going to make a super easy to make ginger cough repellent. It's like a cough syrup, you can say, and it is very simple. All you require is some ginger, some water, a mortar, not a mortar, a mortar. This. Alright, you need that mortar, and you need also, yes, you can add in a little peppercorns if you want to make it more spicy, and if you have a good heat tolerance like me, you can simply use that. Grab your knife first, give it a good rinse, and place it aside. Now, I'm just going to grab a little bit of ginger. Yep, this much will do. You don't need this much, but I'm gonna roughly chop about this much. I'm joking. You don't need that much. That is too much, kind of. Yep, that's it. Take this much. Take this much. And just chop that dry part out. Now, I want you to peel off all the skin. Right. It should look like a block of butter. That's it. Now, just put it into your mortar. Alright? And just give it a squash. After you're done squashing, it should look something like this. Yep, like that. Just do that. Now go ahead with a glass of water. Joking, not a glass. But you do have to pour some water. And then just stir it around nicely. This will infuse that water with that ginger and make it like full. It will clear out all that phlegm in your throat. You're done. Grab a small bowl like this. Now pop in a cloth and pour that juice. Not only the juice, you have to pour in that ginger. Now wrap around the ginger and squeeze it. You should have about this much juice. Now add in a spoon, not even a spoon, half spoon of honey, and just eat it like some honey and some of that